It's day 72 and I'm still Salvador. I managed to fix the bike today. I found the short circuit. It was not the water, it was the wire. His isolation just ripped off. And I was like, keep the front of it quite fast. I fixed it, just need to buy the fuse. The visa for Colombia didn't work in El Salvador, so I'm going to apply for it in Costa Rica. I'll be more prepared with documents and stuff, because it's not easy. Nobody understands me and I don't understand them. We just sit in front of each other. And she keeps talking in Spanish, even when I say I don't speak any Spanish. Anyway, bike maintenance done, engine oil, filter changed, tires, finally the tire placed into the seat. And third day in El Salvador, ready to move, just got some information. Honduras is the next.